close to home, feeling so far away. As I walk the road, there before me a shadow from another world where no other can follow. Carry me to my own, to where I can cross over. Close to home, I cannot say. Close to home, feeling so far away. Forever searching, never right. I am lost in oceans of night. Forever hoping I can find memories, those memories I left behind. Even though I live, will I go on believing that this time is real? Am I lost in this feeling, like a child passing through, never knowing